Wow, it's a bit dark here today, isn't it? Alexa, unboxing theme.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today we're going to be unboxing the FS150 video light created by Neewer. Let's go. I've got my handy knife with me. I love this. Okay, this box is taking up the whole screen and I want to get rid of this box ASAP. Oh, do you know what I love? I actually love my unboxing series. Crazy. So this light is 130 watts and it's meant to be, well, it's a 150 light. So this is the top of the box. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm just gonna pull this out. Okay, that was one big box. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that. I'm probably gonna just show you here. This is the front of it. So the front, I think, and then the side, I think, and then yeah, they look alike. All the sections look alike. Right, let's get to the unboxing. I say that, but there's actually no information on the front of this. This is very nice. This little holographic sticker. It's actually fully sealed. I do like that. So I'm gonna just cut that there. There we go. And hopefully this will be, yeah, I don't have any nails. Oh my god. It's actually very tough. Whoa, nearly gonna have to use a knife. See, did you guys see that technique? That's a very good technique, love. Anyway, let's open this. This is a huge box. Hopefully you can see how big this box is. This is a very nice bag that's coming in. Wow. Gonna need to take this inside as well. Crazy. I thought this was meant to be light. I'm sure I read that it's meant to be light, but it doesn't look like it. Okay. Lol. A lot of sellotape. This knife, I swear to God, it's just so good. It's so sharp. I need to actually clean it. It's actually a bit dirty. Anyways, I'll do that later. Okay, let's unravel this. A lot of packaging, actually. A lot of packaging. Neewer. Lovely, it's copyrighted, lol. Okay. Let's see if there's any information on the box or anything. But I know that basically, just to let you all know, this light, it's graded as the 150 because some people get like 300. This one's 150 and yeah, that's the strength of it. You can control the grades, so I'll hopefully show you. Wow. Okay. This is very nice. It's very well packed. Okay, so here are the manuals and stuff. Video light instruction manual. Hopefully you can see that, and this is the challenge that I always give all of you. Screenshot. Let's see if you guys got a screenshot or not. Operation prompt card. So yeah, I'm probably going to actually have to read. Did you know I say that I don't ever read manuals? This time I probably will have to read it. Anyways, that's just a declaration form. I'll put that all the way to the side. Okay, let's take everything out. Wow, this is a heavy duty. The 130 watts from what I know. Nice. So this is saying the 158 power supply models there. If you guys ever want to have a look, this is actually connected via XLR. Normally it's just a little like DC in, isn't it? This is through XLR apparently, so it doesn't get like released if it's pulled easily. Obviously I'm going to be using this in a static motion. I'm not really going to travel. Like some people actually purchase these like to take onto events and stuff, like I don't know, photographing or filming weddings, so like wedding cinematography. Very nice power lead. It's very long. As I said, I'm not going to need it to be that long. My lights are very close to me, lol. I'm just leaving that there on the side. This is the actual, hopefully I can take it out. Oh, okay. The front cover's there. I feel like I'm going to break it. It's meant to be strong. Okay. So I've just pulled it out. Oh, I wouldn't have broken it. But yeah, so this, if you know what, let me get the whole thing out, because I think, yeah, and break everything in the process, lol. This bag is really good. I'm really glad that it came with all this like polythene and stuff. Don't know what the hell polythene is, but yeah, polythene. Just a quick notice, my whole section is so messy. It's never been that messy. I can't believe how many boxes are. Imagine that's what, 1, 2, 3 things just to even get any of this out. That's nuts. Anyways, this is the hood to direct light. I've actually got a diffuser as well, so I'm not really going to be using this. I will probably test it out just to see how it looks, but this basically I'm going to be replacing this with a diffuser, a new honeycomb diffuser. The honeycomb diffuser is apparently meant to be decent. Just going to test it out, try it out. I'm not really too fast. My lights already decent. The reason basically I've got this is basically because I want control, as I was going to say earlier. I want control of how much light I'm actually emitting. So let me show you some features on the actual product. This is actually really heavy duty. Nice. So, Neewer. This is covered. Remove the cove before use, obviously. So this cove, they're talking about this cove here. So I don't even know how you remove that. I think push in. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to read the manual for this. Oh, lol. You click here. Oh, you pull here. There we go. Lol. I don't know if you can see there, that little gap. There's this little thing that you can pull, and then you can twist it. So pull there, twist out, and that's the light. That's nice. This little thing here is actually meant to direct more light quickly, like to one little spot. This has so many different modes. Like, check this out. This is what I'm talking about. So you can connect this via your phone, via Bluetooth. This is the XLR section that I was talking about, and here you can basically control the amount of light that's coming. This is all digital. There's modes. So when I was saying that there's modes for like lightning effects and many other effects. I'm going to be using this on my tripod, obviously. There's many effects that you can use, as I was saying. So lightning, there's explosion effects, there's other special effects. I think there's 9 in total that you can use. It's meant to be very portable and lightweight. Yeah, I'm holding it with one hand and it looks like it's not that heavy. It actually is heavy. I think it would, I'm not really going to weigh it, but I think it said like 2-3 kg. But yeah, this is actually pretty heavy. There's silent fan in here, so you can see it's meant to be silent. And this is obviously where you mount it through the tripod. One of the main uses of this is the fact that you can use it through your app, and then you can adjust the white balance as well. So if you want to get up to 5600K, which is excellent. This is obviously, in my opinion, like a professional grade, and it's even got, as I said, so this part here, it's called a Bowen's mount. So you can put so you can basically put other Bowen's mounts and like soft boxes. And as I said, I'm getting a honeycomb box to use with this. That's another thing. Honeycomb. Why honeycomb? Like, realistically, it just sounds pretty. Apparently it's meant to diffuse the light better, and this is like a tool that you can use with it. So I'm getting I've already got the Neewer honeycomb mount that I'm going to be putting onto this as a soft box. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this and you got a bit of a look of what's actually inside the box and a bit of information about this Neewer 150 light. Just to add a bit of information, this is obviously the amount of power that this can emit, 150, and how like the distance, etc. There are more powerful lights like the 300, FS300. You would normally use anything with FS300 outdoors. This is apparently for outdoors as well, but I don't think it's enough light. But 300 is what you would use outdoors. So even though there's sunlight, the 300 would actually give some light to the face or whatever you're trying to light up. This is for indoor use, in my opinion. So I'm going to be using this as something called a key light. If you don't know much about what key light is, there's basically 3 lights that you would use in the studio: key light, fill light, and then background lights, etc. Or a light to light your back, which I do have. I'll probably make a video regarding my lighting one day. Maybe soon, maybe not. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video of this FS150. If you did, make sure you pop a thumbs up. Do you know what? This looks like a rail gun. This is nuts. I like the look of it. Anyways, do subscribe if you like this video and you want to get notifications of what I upload. I upload many different types of videos on this channel. But anywho, yeah, so one thing I say all the time, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care.